Hey guys, it's Khadijah. So today I am going to be making the famous charli that I'm pretty sure everyone knows about. It's going around the internet, trending a lot. Charli, if you don't know, Charli D'Amelio, she's a famous TikToker. She has I think 100 million fans on TikTok, and she has her own drink from Dunkin. And I actually tried it, and it was actually really, really good. It was cold brew coffee, caramel syrup. Okay, so it was cold brew, caramel syrup, and some milk. I just have latte 1% milk because that's just what I drink personally. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm trying to make it a little professional. What we're gonna do is we're gonna swirl the caramel around the cup. Caramel, whatever you call it. Not too much, because it's gonna be, oh, look at that. Designs. So, then we're gonna pour, Actually, I think. So, I'm going to make it in a separate cup because normally what they do, I think they make it in a blender, but I feel like that's too much. So, yeah. We're just going to pour some in the cup. Not too much. This is the regular black cold brew coffee. This is not too sweet, black, bold and smooth coffee. I think that should be enough, maybe a little more. I would say this cup is the size of a medium charli. Okay, that should be good. And then let's put some milk. So I was looking on Google for measurements, and sadly they don't have any measurements. So we're just gonna have to eyeball it out, I guess. So I'm just gonna do it till it's a good color, to where a regular coffee color would be. Okay, here's a spoon. We're gonna mix it. Okay, that's too dark. It's not that dark. Let's add a little more. So it's like a regular coffee color. Okay. Still a little too dark. This might be a lot. So I'm gonna put that much cold brew. Okay, so this is the color of it, which I think this should be good. And then for the caramel, I was really looking for measurements for this so I can get it exact, but I don't know. I couldn't find any, so we're gonna let's put 3 tablespoons. Is this a teaspoon? Tablespoons of caramel. Was that 3? Oh, I'm not paying attention. Okay, so let's mix. That should be enough, yeah, because there's already caramel in the cup also. So, I'm gonna be making this for me, my dad, and my brother, I think. I don't know if he wants any, but maybe my sister, she wants some. Okay, so it looks pretty mixed, and this looks pretty good to the color. So we're gonna fill this. Hopefully my caramel design, well, usually the cups are white so you can see the caramel, but I think that's good. Thought we had a Dunkin cup. I thought we saved it. I don't know. So I'm gonna pour a little bit out because I'm not gonna drink that much, and I have to clean that up now. So let me get a straw. I think we have a straw. Yeah. So here's a straw, and we're gonna taste it, and then we're gonna make some more. And yeah, so let's taste it first. Normally they would have ice in it, but I don't have ice. So we're gonna give it a little mix. It looks really good. This straw's not really strong. Okay, ready? That's good. One thing is it is a little strong. I know that seems like a lot of caramel, but I feel like theirs had a little more with the caramel inside. Let's taste it now. Maybe a little more milk, because the color was a little lighter. Oh, that wasn't a little. That was a lot. Okay. That's good. Let's get on to the next one. Okay, so let's get on to the second cup. I just came up with this like in my head right now. Sorry for the background noise. That's my little brother. He's always screaming and yelling. But I just came up with this. I wanted to add a little bit of chocolate. I guess this can be my dad's. Okay, so now we're gonna make my dad's, and yeah, we're just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna try to make it neater this time and not a lot. Drizzle all around that cup. Not too much though. Ooh. Look at this design. I just calmed down a lot, but you know, we're good. We're good. Let me stop. Alright, so now, oh my god, that's a lot of cream. Okay, whatever. So now let's it came off fast. Let's pour that in there. And my dad's, I'm gonna add just a little more milk because me, I had to kind of adjust it. So let's add a little more milk, and it has extra caramel, so not too much though. Then we're gonna give it a mix from the bottom with all that caramel in there. It was overflowed. Okay, I can see the caramel on the bottom, so that's why I'm trying to mix it in. Real good. Okay, this might be a little extra sweet, but it's okay. So now that's looking really good. I was gonna add some extra caramel drizzle on top, but I don't know about that because I already put a lot in the bottom. I can't stop drinking this. It's so good. Oh, I guess that shows it's down to the bottom. You never know. I might make some more. I don't know. It says shake well. Oh well. We're just gonna shake it right now. And hope for that. Okay, so we're gonna get my dad's reaction. But I'm about to go get this to him, and I'm gonna tell you guys what he thinks of it. So stop it. Okay, so next we're gonna be making some for my brother. I don't know if he's gonna want it or not, but so I'm just gonna make it in this because honestly, all the other cups we have are like small, and like most of them are bottles like this, and they are kind of big. But I want to have something that I could just put in the refrigerator in case my brother doesn't want it. So, yeah. So we're gonna swirl some caramel, not too much, because I always make that mistake of putting too much. Wait. That's kind of good though. Alright, it's good, it's good, it's good. Look at that. Nice little design. So now we gotta make I'm gonna make the coffee again. And I tried to look for the measurements again, but still can't find it, so sadly. But it's fine. So we're gonna pour some of the cold brew. That should be good, right? Yeah, that should be good because I had to add a lot of extra milk last time. And then we have a 1 cup measuring. This is a half a cup. This is 1/3 cup. So we're gonna use 1/3 cup of the, no, not 1/3. That's too much. I can't find it for other measurements. Is this 1/4? 1/4 cup. 1/4 of a cup of milk. It should be good. That I did find the measurements for that though, but I'm pretty sure, I don't know if they used this exact milk. It just said whole milk. So, but I really don't think it really makes a difference. If you ask me, let's put a little more. Okay, so that's filled up, you can see. And let's pour it. I feel like that's gonna be too much for the amount of cold brew that I put in there, but it's fine. Because they didn't give me measurements for the cold brew or the caramel. They just caramel. I don't know who you guys say, but they just gave me measurements for the milk. So I found that a little weird though, because usually you give the measurements for all of it. But yeah. So let's put some caramel. Again, we're gonna put 3 tablespoons. Okay, so my brother walked in from coming outside, so. But we're gonna continue that. That's 2 spoonfuls, and then 3. And he actually said he wanted it, so. Thought he wouldn't want it, but turns out he wants it. And I didn't really pay attention to that, and I already put the caramel in it, and I don't want to waste it with the cup, so it'll be fine though. So now, I asked him if he wanted chocolate. He just said a little bit. So we're just gonna put a little tiny bit, not a whole tablespoon, because that would be too much. That should be good, because our original wouldn't have chocolate in it, but I personally think that chocolate would be good in it. Should I swirl it on top? Alright, let's mix it up. Kind of good to chocolate off of the spoon. Okay, that's good. Ooh. And then we're gonna pour it into the cup. This is kind of a lot, but if he doesn't drink it, he can just pour it out. And I did have the caramel drizzle on the cup, but you can't really see it now because the drink is in there already. So we're gonna put a straw in it, and let's let him taste it.